In today's world, hardware life cycles are getting shorter. Engineers need to build and ship products in less time, but the support that they receive when they deploy these products to the field is still very weak. We need to stop thinking about SOMs as just products on a stick and start thinking about them as a complete end-to-end connected solution. Well, that approach is exactly what Digi does. And I'm actually at the Digi booth to talk with Andreas to find out a little bit more about the ConnectCore 95 and how Digi is enabling an entire end-to-end MLOps solution. Andreas, great to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Adam.
First off, what do you do at Digi?
I'm a product manager for the Digi ConnectCore SOM solutions.
And so what is this plaque you have on display here? What is this about?
We're demoing a real-time Edge AI industrial inspection system. So we're looking at the video coming in here. In this demo, it's provided by a video file. And the system is looking at these dough pieces coming by on a conveyor belt and checking the quality to make sure these are all becoming nice bread rolls. And the system has an ISP integrated, pre-processing the video, and then it goes into the NPU for the inferencing. And the AI model is actually classifying the type of bread and also look at the scoring pattern on the bread rolls, which makes them look nice and crusty, so everybody wants to buy them when they're displayed in a bakery. So the system generates a pass-fail decision for every single piece.
And so you can swap between inferencing on both the CPU, the NPU, and NXPR as well.
That's correct. The AI use cases are very diverse and they require different performance levels. So you can either run the inferencing on the CPU or the internal NPU, or you can add additional accelerators externally, like this NXP-ARA2, which we have integrated with the help of our partner RBC to add additional AI performance going up to 40 TOPS on that external device.
And tell me, what's on this tablet here? How is this related to the demo?
The system is connected. We're communicating with the Digi XB cellular module to our ConnectCore cloud services. And with the IoT application framework, we built this management dashboard where you can monitor the data, analyze your system in the field, and also collect the operational data, which you can use to retrain your model, and then from the cloud platform securely deploy your updated model back onto the devices in the field. So this, in fact, is a complete MLOps implementation
solution
based on our
with security baked in. And so, typically, if I'm a hardware engineer, a lot of the time, if I look for a SOM, I look for the lowest price SOM that fits all of my hardware needs. Why is that approach? What are the limitations of that approach?
Yeah, traditionally engineers are often primarily focused on the hardware price of the SOM, but today's bigger challenge is not building the device, it's securely deploying that in the field and manage it throughout that entire life cycle. So the complexity of that system has increased significantly. So we provide a complete solution bundle from Digi with our SOMs. We're redefining what a SOM solution looks like. We're including essential security features and cloud services, including over-the-air firmware updates with every SOM we ship at no extra cost. So OEMs can focus again on their applications, and Digi provides the support and infrastructure underneath to enable these solutions for the OEM.
And so one thing I noticed that's unique to the ConnectCore 95 is that you actually use Wi-Fi 6E, which isn't necessarily the standard Wi-Fi protocol. Why is that?
Good catch. So yeah, that's actually enabling access to additional spectrum in the 6 gigahertz band. And if you have a very dense wireless network or crowded network, like in a hospital or in a trade show floor, the nodes are competing for the communication. And with the additional band, you remove congestion issues, you have more reliable communication, better response times, and higher throughput.
So Andreas, tell me, who is this board actually for? What are the best applications that we can use this?
Well, some drivers, especially for the Wi-Fi 6E, are actually medical markets, but we also see interest in industrial automation, like smart factories where hundreds of sensor nodes and visual inspection systems and robots need to reliably communicate. And the additional bandwidth on the 6 gigahertz band really helps to provide more reliable communication.
And so look, if I'm an engineer and I would like to start evaluating the ConnectCore 95, I want to see if I can use this in my design, what are my next steps?
get in contact with us. We started to ship the first ConnectCore 95 development kits to early customers. And we'd like to hear about your projects and how we can help you to develop, deploy, and maintain your next generation products, including AI functionality.
Awesome. Andreas, great to meet you. This is the ConnectCore 95 at Digi's booth at Embedded World 2026. If you want to find out more information about them, there'll be links in the description below. And as always at ipXchange, stay disruptive.